Hey guys, are you ready to grow your YouTube channel and get your first 100 subscribers? Well, I'm here to help. Let's jump right in. Here are some tips to help you get started. First, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that your viewers will love. This is the most important thing you can do to grow your channel. Take the time to plan out your content and make sure it's original and valuable to your viewers. Second, make sure your channel is well branded and easy to navigate. This will help give your channel a professional look and make it easier for viewers to find what they're looking for. Choose a logo, color scheme, and cover photo that represent your brand, and make sure your channel's description and sections are organized and easy to use. Third, promote your channel on social media and other platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and attract more viewers to your channel. Use hashtags, tag other influencers in your niche, and engage with your followers to help build a community around your channel. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche and ask for their advice and support. Collaborating with other channels and leveraging their audiences can be a great way to grow your own channel and reach your first 100 subscribers faster. So, there you have it, guys. By following these tips and putting in the time and effort, you can grow your channel and get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. Good luck! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Pro Top 10.